Hi friends, in this video I will show you that how to download the Python. So for downloading the Python you have to follow these steps. I will provide this link in the description, so go through this link. You have to click on this link. When you click on this link you will come on this screen. When you come on this screen you can see here there is a download Python 3.10.5. This is the Python version. Just click on this. You will get a downloaded Python here. So when you get downloaded Python here, just click on here, then you will get this screen. Make sure that every optional feature should be selected here. After that you have to click on next. You also make sure here that advanced option should be selected. Once it has been selected, then you have to click on install here. I have already installed the Python version. Just follow the steps. After downloading the Python, you have to download Anaconda. For downloading the Anaconda, I will provide you this link in the description. You have to go through this link. When you click on this link, you will come on this screen. After coming on this screen, you have to press on the download button. When you press on this download button, you will get downloaded your Anaconda software. I have already downloaded, so I don't need to download again. Just you have to follow the step for downloading this. In this session we have completed Python installation and the Anaconda installation. So you have to follow these steps for downloading both softwares. Thanks.